Woodpeckers has established itself as a leading name in the woodworking industry by consistently delivering high-quality tools. Their products are trusted by countless craftspeople and are widely recognized for setting exceptional standards. With that in mind, let's explore 11 remarkable new woodpecker tools designed for woodworking enthusiasts. Kicking off our list is the Woodpecker's Cam-Align Dowel Guide, a highly adaptable and accurate doweling jig built to elevate woodworking projects. Its most notable characteristics include variable spacing options, precision-engraved center lines, a solid fence, and a flexible stop system, making it arguably the most complete doweling jig on the market. Unlike competing models, users aren't restricted to specific pin dimensions and don't need to monitor which bushings they've used. With adjustable spacing, woodworkers can easily customize the jig to suit their material needs. The Cam-Align comes with 4 guide bushing sizes, giving you the flexibility to handle any task. Available in both single-size and deluxe sets, which include all 4 sizes, stop extensions, and a convenient wall-mountable bracket, this dowel guide provides the accessibility needed for efficient woodworking. Next is the Joiner's Marking Gauge from Woodpeckers, a refined instrument that tackles the common shortcomings of traditional marking gauges through a compact design that eliminates unnecessary beam length. This latest one-time tool delivers precision and comfort directly in your palm. Ideal for laying out joinery, it produces razor-thin lines at preset distances from reference edges, perfectly serving the typical range needed for furniture joinery. The Joiner's Marking Gauge features improved ergonomics, fitting naturally in your hand and offering superior balance during marking. Its thoughtful construction and practical features make it an indispensable companion for woodworkers of all skill levels seeking accuracy and ease.
Woodpeckers presents the 2096 Workholding Kit, a solution that embodies both simplicity and effectiveness for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Featuring 2 opposing wedges, one fixed and one floating, this kit uses minimal pressure to generate impressive gripping strength, securing workpieces reliably without unnecessary complexity. A straightforward bench stop with a fixed height adds further stability without requiring springs or clamps. The kit is designed to fit Festool MFT tables using 20mm holes on 96mm centers for seamless compatibility. Even without an MFT table, users can benefit by using Woodpecker's hole boring jig to create custom tabletops with identical spacing and hole sizes, broadening its usefulness across different work setups. Woodpecker's Ultra Shear half-round bits. Looking for precision and visual appeal in metric tenon cutting without the usual complications? Consider the Ultra Shear half-round bits from Woodpeckers. Available in diameters ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters, these bits allow woodworkers to produce custom loose tenon material. Unlike prefabricated domino tenons, which can look out of place in exposed through joints, these bits cut precisely engineered profiles that integrate seamlessly and look exceptional. Designed specifically to address the difficulties of creating metric tenons with inch roundover bits, Ultra Shear's metric half-round bits deliver accurate profiles at exactly the right sizes for flawless joinery. Ever struggled to keep 2 pieces of stock perfectly square while working? Woodpeckers introduces the corner lock, designed to spring into action whenever you need to hold 2 pieces of stock square to one another. Whether you're driving fasteners, applying bar clamps, or aligning components, these corner locks make everything simpler. The mechanism is elegantly straightforward. Compress the spring and drop the corner lock over both pieces of stock. The spring captures your material between a square steel corner and 2 alignment pins, ensuring accurate alignment with minimal effort.
Say farewell to guesswork and embrace accuracy with Woodpecker's gauge blocks, designed to rescue you from the frustration of relying on imprecise protractor scales on power tools for angle setup. This latest one-time tool is built to transform machine configuration. Unlike bulky squares that come with their own limitations, these gauge blocks feature highly accurate angles machined into perfectly proportioned squares that sit cleanly beside blades and bits. Gauge block 225 delivers precise 45 and 90-degree angles, while gauge block 369 provides accurate 30, 60, and 90-degree angles. Carefully milled and inspected, these gauge blocks ensure reliability in every project. When precision is critical for tasks like marking dovetails or transferring angles, Woodpecker's sliding bevel gauges are the right tool for the job. Featuring a distinctive locking mechanism, these gauges allow effortless adjustment and secure locking, keeping your desired angle set until you decide to change it. The locking knob is ergonomically shaped to sit comfortably between your thumb and finger, offering tactile tension feedback, while an internal wedge multiplies your input to exert firm pressure on the blade with minimal finger force. Whether tackling complex joinery or replicating angles from plans, these sliding bevel gauges provide the precision you need.
Meet the Woodpecker's Mini Square, the ultimate tool for verifying the squareness of cutting tool edges. Traditional squares are often too long or narrow for precise alignment tasks, but the Mini Square's compact 1 1/8 by 2 inch dimensions make it ideally suited for the job. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it's comfortable to grip and won't damage your tools thanks to carefully machined edges. The dark red anodized finish improves visibility, making gaps easy to spot. Whether the tool is in your pocket or its custom-fitted tray, the Mini Square is always ready to confirm the accuracy of your tools. Up next is the Woodpecker's Universal Cross Dowel Jig, an essential tool for assembling high-quality furniture with outstanding joint strength. This jig simplifies the creation of joints using cross dowels, robust pieces of hardware with standard threads cut across a steel dowel. By drilling intersecting holes in one piece of stock and matching holes in its mating piece, woodworkers can achieve joints with exceptional mechanical strength. Perfect for knockdown furniture and various shop projects, this jig lets you disassemble and reassemble furniture repeatedly without sacrificing durability or stability. Who knew angle layout could be this effortless? The Posi-Lock T-Square delivers unmatched accuracy in panel layout work, with precisely machined holes and the spring-loaded high-tolerance detent ball that locks into position. The process couldn't be simpler. Snap the head to your desired angle and strike your line. The satin-finished stainless steel blade with a scribing guide further simplifies critical dimensioning, making this an all-around precision powerhouse. Struggling with angled drilling? The Auto Angling Guide is here to solve that problem once and for all. The target line engraved in the base is a standout feature, and the fence fits on all 4 sides for total support no matter what task. Optional flip stops and extension rods make hole positioning simple and repeatable. Just align the index marks on the base, dial in your angle on the protractor base, and drill with confidence. No cumbersome drill press required. And that wraps up the list of 11 remarkable new woodpecker tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this delivered straight to your feed.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.